So welcome to the lightning talk sessions in this dev room. So from now we will have 5 minutes talk, 5 minutes speaker change, 5 minutes talk, and so on until the end of the session. And first up is Richie, who is also staff here at the FOSDEM making this happen. So thank you very much and welcome.
Yeah, so welcome to a short introduction to OpenMetrics. What is OpenMetrics? Well, first we have to answer what Prometheus is. This is probably better, I'm just going to do this. Prometheus, you've heard it if you've been in this room quite a few times already. It's been taking the whole monitoring world by storm, and it's becoming more or less the de facto standard of monitoring, especially in cloud-native deployments. It has a lot of libraries, integrations, and other stuff which you probably care about, but it also has a really, really good format to actually transport data from your data sources to your monitoring system. And this is not limited to just Prometheus. Others can also use this for obvious reasons. There's also this very important concept of we break actually with the normal hierarchical stuff. So normally you would have like region, data center, customer, blah, or you might have customer, region, or customer data center, blah, or whatever your structure is, and it's always wrong. So transposing this into labels where you can sort of slice and dice your data is insanely more powerful. We also heard this in the Google talk today. So there is one large political issue with this. The name Prometheus and Prometheus exposition format is inherently tied to our project Prometheus, which is a problem for a lot of companies who actually want to sell you services, because they actually don't want you to look at their competitors when you look at the exposition format, or the name of the exposition format. There's one notable exception, Influx Data. They actually support us, even though they want to earn money and do the same, so that's really nice of them. There's also the other consideration of, while we probably did a really, really good job at what we did, still it was just us. So, to actually achieve this goal of getting away from this hierarchical model of monitoring towards labels, where we really want to change how the world does monitoring or looks at monitoring, we wanted to pull in more expertise by other players who have other experiences, or maybe more, or maybe different, so we can actually talk with those people about what we're doing, just on the wire transmitting those metrics. So what we're doing is we're spinning out OpenMetrics into its own thing. It's not the Prometheus exposition format any longer. It becomes the OpenMetrics standard. It will join the Cloud Native Computing Foundation as a fully fledged project. And it will also be an internet draft, and I'll try to get this published as an RFC. You can actually go to a vendor and tell them, okay, I want to have RFC 1 to 3. All of a sudden you slipped Prometheus support in your public tender. That's really nice. There's quite a bit of support behind this already. These companies already confirmed that they would like to do this and join. There's more than fits on the slide, but those were the first ones, and at some point I stopped adding people, so first come, first serve. We will probably publish the first version in Q1, so 1 or 2 months more, and then we actually have the proto and the text format specified, so you can actually start using this in your own implementations. Obviously, our own libraries from Prometheus will also start supporting this. OpenCensus will support this. A few others will support this. Grafana Labs will support this. Kotlin will support this. Quite a few people will support this. If you want to have a look, that's the URL. We also link to the proto design specs and everything from that site. So, yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.
Okay, next talk starts in 5 minutes from now. talk, who starts 6:10. The next speaker after that talk.